Okay, so after this password, next thing is VLAN. VLAN means virtual LAN. So what is the meaning of this virtual LAN? Actually, if you will see in this switch, so mhm, so you can see here in this switch we have 24 ports available. Right? So VLAN means what? VLAN is the group of that all the ports, all the 24 ports. If you will see in this switch, so I can show you if I will run one command, enable, then show VLAN. In show VLAN, you can see here we have default VLAN 1 available. So default 1 means what? It's a default VLAN in which all the ports are connected, all the ports, right? And you can see here port 1 to port 24, all the ports are available. So what's the mean of this VLAN? So you can see here VLAN stands for virtual LAN, and a virtual LAN is a grouping of network nodes such as computer, network devices, and servers that we connected in logical manner. Mean logically it's connected with each other using the switch. In switch that is known as VLAN. So advantage of VLAN means what? So broadcast control. How we can use this? So suppose if I want that in my organization, I have two departments. One is for the HR department and one is for the account department. In my organization, there is two departments, HR and account. So now if you will see here in HR and account, we have suppose this first PC, second PC, we have some PC. And in the account, we have also some PC. These are some PC. And we have suppose we have only four PC. So if you want to connect these four PC, so one switch is sufficient because in every switch, minimum 8 port is available. So that is 8 or 16 or 24. If I will take this 24 port switch, that means I have 24 port available in single switch. So I can connect all the PC with single switch also. Right. So this is a good deal. If you want to broadcast control means what? If HR want to send the data using this switch, so they can send to this account PC also. And if account want to send the data to HR PC, so it can also send. So I want that HR would not be available to send the data to account PC, and account PC would not be able to send the data to HR PC. So how is this possible? So for that I can create multiple VLAN there. Multiple VLAN means what? Now as we discussed, we have VLAN 1 available by default. VLAN 1, and all the ports are available under this VLAN from 1 to 24 port. All the available under this VLAN port. So that's why all are connected with each other. If you pin from first PC to another PC like second, third or 24 PC, then you can easily ping because all are connected in same VLAN. If I will create more VLAN and then I can separate the PC also. How I can create? Suppose I just create VLAN 2 for this HR. I will create VLAN 2 for the HR and VLAN 3 for account. Then I will add this port number. Here, suppose this first PC is connected on first port, second is connected on second port, third is connected on third, and fourth is connected on fourth. Then I will add first and second PC, second port in this VLAN 2, and I will add third and fourth port on this VLAN 3. After that, now in VLAN 1 only, port available from port 5 to port 24. And in VLAN 2 we have first and second. In VLAN 3 we have third and fourth. So after that, when you try to ping with first PC to second PC, you can ping because the VLAN is same for both PC. But if you try to ping with first PC to third PC, then you can't ping because VLAN is different. So the logical area is different. So this is how we can create this VLAN to broadcast control. Switch is same, but you can't ping with each other. You can't ping from first PC to third PC or fourth PC. We can control the broadcast, right? We can easily divide the groups in single switch also. So uh, this is the security. This is the security available in this switch. This feature is for the security purpose. Performance. Performance also increase because we are creating multiple logical groups. So when you send data from first to second and third to fourth, then will be performance will be increased. Network management. You can manage the network. I want that this first PC would not be pinged with second PC or with third PC or fourth PC, so I can manage the network. That's so. This is a VLAN. Now, if I will show you how we can create that VLAN, so we have this VLAN one by default, and we have some reserve VLAN also 1002, 1003, 45. 002 is reserved for FDDI technology fiber, and third is for the token ring, fourth is for the FDDI net, and this is for the TR net. So these are some reserve. We can use from one. This is the one by default. We can create from two VLAN two to 1001. Right? That means we can create thousands VLAN in single switch, and this is layer 2 switch, so that we can only create 1000 VLAN in this switch. But if you are using layer 3 switch, so there we can create 4096 VLAN in single switch in layer 3 switch. But for now, we can create 1000 VLAN in single switch. So I'm just going to create two VLAN, one for the VLAN, one for the HR, and one for the account. So how we can create? Let's see. For that, I will go to config T, and here I will type VLAN space the number of VLAN which I want to create. VLAN 2 I want to create. Enter. It's created. If you want to also assign the name, then you can name, and I want to give the name HR. Name also assigned. I want to create one more VLAN. So VLAN 3. It's also created. I want to just set the name for this VLAN account. Right. So it's created. VLAN 2, VLAN 3. Now if I will see, so just do exit, again exit, now show VLAN. So here you can see we have this HR and account that's created. We have VLAN number 2 and 3. So in this VLAN 2 and 3 has not any PC available. So we have to also add port in this VLAN also in 2 and 3. Right, so this is how we can create VLAN 2 and 3. We will add PC, but before adding PC, just let me show you one more thing. These are my PC. So I can also do some drawing here. So I will do this. I will create separate department here for understanding, and I can write also. So I will write HR and account, right? HR and not create. Now, first thing is just try to create VLAN in your machine. Then we will see how we can add port in VLAN. So command is this. Let me write the command. Here is the command. Or I think there is no need to write the command. You can see here. All command are together. So now see how we can add port in this VLAN. So firstly, you have to find that which port is connected with means first PC and second PC and third PC and fourth PC. So how we can see that? So for that, if you will see here, as we enable the show port level, so you can see here the port number. If you didn't see or if you are not able to see this port, means easily, suppose if we see in this third number, so in my third PC, there is 03 and 04 is available. So which number is for this port? So how we can identify? So just click on PC and try to drag, and you can see which number is dragged. FA01. The number of that port is FA01, and in second PC that is FA02. Okay. Then third PC that is FA03. If I will drag, so FA03 is there. Then in FA04, okay, This is FA04. That means I have to connect this FA01 and 2 with this HR VLAN, means VLAN 2. And this third and fourth PC, I have to connect with this account VLAN, that means VLAN 3. Okay, so now try to add. So adding that, you have to just firstly go to config mode. Okay, config T, and then just firstly select your port, which port you want to add. So how we can select? So for that you can write interface, or otherwise you can also type int only. Right, int means interface space and the number. So my first port number is FA0/1. So same to same you have to type and then enter. Right. So now it is selected. Now here you can see config if. If means interface is selected. Now just type switch port access VLAN and the number of VLAN. So I want to add this port into VLAN 2. Then enter. It's added. Then if I want to add second port, enter in VLAN 2. Same thing. It's also added. Third port in VLAN 3. I have to add. Fourth port I have to add in VLAN 3. So now all ports are added. Now if I will check, so show VLAN. So here you can see my HR VLAN has this first and second port, and account VLAN has this third and fourth PC. Now if I will try to ping, so what will happen if I will try to ping with first PC to second PC? So it can be ping because the VLAN is same. So try to ping 10.2, it's ping reply, right? But earlier we are able to just ping with third PC also. But now if I will try to ping with third PC 10.3, that will show me error. Maybe request timeout or something. Request timeout. It's showing error. It is not able to ping with that. Network is same, switch is same, but we can't ping with that different VLAN PC. If I will try to ping with fourth PC, 10 dot, I think 4. It will also show me error. Right? So this is happening because of the different VLAN. So this is how we can create the VLAN. We can attach the VLAN and we can see the difference of the VLAN. Means first PC or second PC can't be able to ping with third PC and fourth PC, and third and fourth PC will not be able to ping with first and second. Right? Only same VLAN PC can be able to ping with each other. So now if I will show you this command. Okay, so just try to add your port also with this VLAN. These are some commands.